Vibe with Lady welcome to my channel.
Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. So, today we're going to style this closure straight wig into a fringe wig. So, stay tuned if you want to learn some tricks on how to change your closure wig into a fringe wig. Okay, so what I did right there was to just apply some wax stick on the closure to make it flat and then straighten it with my hot comb. And then I went ahead to put some moves on it to make it more smoother and then firm for me to start my work. So I'm just trying to use my tail comb to make sure the line is very straight, the pattern is very straight. Then we go ahead to the next move, okay? So still trying to just secure, make sure that the line is straight for me to move ahead with my next stage of styling, okay? So if you want to do this, this tail comb is really good. You need to get this kind of tail comb that can easily penetrate through the hair and make sure your pattern is very even. Okay. So what I did there right was just to so I'm just trying to part the front part, the fringe itself. So that's the dimension. Since it was 2 inches from the forehead to the back, I think that's what I did. I use a tape measure for that. Okay. So you just pat it, straighten it, apply some wax stick on it, and then straighten it up. Okay. Yeah. So that's what I'm just doing. Combing through with the, yeah, I told you I use a tape measure. So that's 2 inches from the forehead to where the fringe, the length of the fringe will be. Okay. Towards the back, actually. So that's what I'm doing. Just trying to comb through to make sure it's straight enough. Then I move ahead to the next step. So I just twist the front a bit, and then I took the measurement of 5.5 inches. Yeah. So that's the length of the fringe. I know somebody will say it's too long, but you don't want to cut it too short. And then when there's a mistake, then there's nothing you can do about it. So I try to cut it a bit longer, and then you move ahead with the style. And if it's too long, then you try to trim it. It's better than cutting it too short at a go. Then you go ahead with your straightener to straighten it a bit. So what you are seeing right here, I've shifted the wig forward a bit. Is yeah, the wig is a bit forward. So if you think your fringe is too long for you, you don't want to trim it as well, you can just shift your wig backwards and then it will be to your preferred length of the fringe. Then you are good to go. So what I'm doing right there is just combing through and then straightening the fringe. Yeah. So then I'll comb through again with a comb and then try to make sure it's well done. So that is all there is to it, actually. So that's how it is looking after everything is well positioned, everything is well trimmed. That's how it is looking. So it is very easy. So you just make sure you use your moves, you use your wax stick, your straightener, you use your what's the name, hot comb. Make sure everything is well secured. You pat it very well. Yeah. So and then the let me see, the length of the fringe was 5.5 inches, which we have trimmed. So now it's like 5 inches long. Yeah. And then the distance from the closure towards the back where you cut the fringe is 2 inches. Yeah, so this is how it is looking. After that, I straightened the entire wig for the client. This was a client order. And I thought like, oh, why won't I just do a video for you guys to see? Yeah, so this is how it is looking. Is it not silky? So beautiful, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, and share my video. Thanks so much, okay? I really appreciate you guys. See you in my next video. And if you haven't watched any other videos, try to watch. I love you all. Mwah.